the iHealth No-Contact Thermometer. Measure your temperature instantly. You'll see results in just 1 second. The infrared sensor collects more than 100 data points, getting accurate results every time, so you can feel confident when you're keeping a close eye on a kid with a fever. You can check your child's temperature without having to touch their skin. No more worrying about spreading germs around your house, and no loud beeping sounds that could wake a sleeping child. A sleek, one-button design makes taking a temperature simple. Just hold the button until you feel a gentle vibration. The LED screen displays the reading in bright white light, so you can clearly see it, even in total darkness. Just hold, aim, and measure. That's how easy it is to take a temperature with a no-contact thermometer from iHealth.